All right. Well, we got him, right? We are. Little rail fan here in Shakopee, Minnesota. 25th day of February. It's a interesting rail line. Probably carried a lot of product. A couple trees are starting to grow here, as you can tell. These are the kind of days just perfect for out videoing because it's a little wind, cool wind, and it's not too hot. It's just perfect. So, you never know what you're gonna find, right? I like all these little trees that are growing. Just wherever they grow, they grow. Must have brought a lot of freight. Yeah, they used to haul a lot of stuff. There was a real good book I saw about trains in Minnesota and Wisconsin, and Iowa, how it all got around. And some is used, like especially Minneapolis, but how a lot of it was trucked in by trains and everything else. So, very interesting. They had two lines here, so they must have brought like to wait in line to kind of the A line, your B line probably. Well, it looks like the other line here. That big ass tree, look at that thing. Yep, all the way down the line. So you can tell it went to that, like, all the way to here. Then that fence, you can get through and keep right on walking. So it went all the way to that building. So it probably kept right on going. You can get through that and walk all the way down to there. So yeah, we're the end of the line here. Rail fanning action here in Shakopee. So, never know what you're gonna find. And a lot of trash all the time. So, These are interesting old rail lines to walk, especially the one in Shakopee. If you got, I mean, and not Shakopee, in St. Paul, I walked the old Ford motor plant. I thought that was interesting. I only walked part of that one. That'd be a long walk. That starts at the Ford motor plant, but they tore out. They put housing. It's too bad they didn't. They did that. They didn't combine it with the housing and have the light rail go across the old Mighty Mo and then parallel to 7th Street and then come back on 7th Street. So, you know, it's, I guess you can make it into a bike trail if you want to, I guess, but do something with it. But anyways, well, we made it to the end, right? So, all this trash and everything else. So, it's an interesting ash tree right here. This one right here, just right in the middle. World War II was fought on a lot of the rail lines. Hitler used his train to go from point A to point B. So, but kind of wanted to walk this. I was down here one day, we did some work down here, and I saw this line. I'm gonna walk it one of these days. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this little rail fanning, train spotting in Shakopee, Minnesota. So it's 2025 and this comes out, and yeah. Anyways, guys, from the outskirts, Shakopee, Minnesota. See you in the next one.